Hi, today we will cook Jamie Oliver's recipe of tuna pasta bake. We need 500 grams of pasta, 400 grams chopped tomato and 500 grams tomato passata, 400 grams of tuna, 300 grams of cheese, onion, garlic, parsley. We put the pasta into boiling water. Cut the onion. Smash, then cut the garlic. Heat some olive oil. Then add the onion and garlic. Cook until brown. Then add salt, pepper, and smoked paprika. Add both tomato juices. Add some water from the pasta to the sauce. Add the tuna. Then the pasta. And mix well. Put the pasta into a baking tray. Add the cheese on top. Some parsley for decor. Then into the oven for 30 minutes at 200 degrees. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Follow me for more recipes.